Have you considered Montessori at Saskatoon Public Schools? Montessori education is built on the belief that children are naturally curious, learn from their surroundings, and desire increasing levels of independence. At Saskatoon Public Schools, our Montessori programs provide a unique approach to education, one that follows the Saskatchewan curriculum while incorporating Montessori principles. Montessori classrooms are carefully designed learning spaces where everything has a purpose. Engaging materials, interactive lessons, and thoughtfully prepared activities meet each child's developmental needs. Students start by learning from hands-on activities and gradually develop their thinking skills and confidence as they understand more complex ideas. In our Montessori classrooms, children engage in an uninterrupted work cycle. Students use an agenda to plan their learning, while teachers observe and offer small group or individual lessons. Children work at their own pace, selecting from a wide variety of prepared materials. The work cycle promotes deep concentration, independence, and responsibility, while students work towards mastery of concepts. Except for kindergarten, students learn in mixed age groups over a 3-year cycle. Younger students benefit from mentorship, while older students reinforce their own learning by helping others. This structure fosters leadership, collaboration, and a strong sense of community. Beyond academics, Montessori nurtures independence and real-world skills. Activities range from measuring, sewing, and organizing to food preparation, outdoor learning, and problem solving. These activities build confidence, coordination, and focus, preparing students not just for school, but for life. Saskatoon Public Schools' Montessori program is open to all students, K-8, with no cost to enroll. The program is offered at Lakeridge School and City Park School. Montessori education inspires a lifelong love of learning, encouraging children to be independent thinkers, problem solvers, and engaged community members. For more information, visit our website or contact our Montessori schools directly. We welcome you to tour a classroom and see Montessori in action. You'll be amazed at what you see.